Welcome to Daily Motivation and Inspiration with Dan, where I oversimplify the challenges in life. And this video is about remembering, and remembering is not a plan. And the reason why I'm saying that is because years ago, I was building a business with my brother, and I remember there was a time when I needed to remember a phone number. And this was before smartphones, and I didn't even have a cell phone then. But I remember I was responsible for organizing a big crane lift, and the problem was there was a challenge, and we needed to cancel it. So I'm in a phone booth, trying to remember this phone number, and thankfully I did, because there's a certain time limit for the cutoff. Otherwise, you're paying $500 an hour for a big crane, and it's not valuable to pay money like that for nothing, especially when you're a startup business. So, I was trying to remember this number, and then I finally did, and I dialed the number, and I was able to get a hold of the company and cancel it. But remembering is not a plan, and what do we do most times? We try to remember things. We say, I have to do this thing, or I have to get these things done, and then we try to remember, and then we forget. And then what? Right? So the point is, we need to write things down. We need to create little plans. We need to create little steps to move towards the things we want. And when we have a plan, it's a roadmap. You would not get in your car and drive, to another city that's far away. You would not do that without a plan, without a roadmap. Yet, we do that with our lives. We don't plan for what we want. We don't think about what we want. We don't ask ourselves what we want. And then, because we're not focusing on what we want and creating a plan for it, we don't get it. And then we blame somebody else or blame something around us for the reason why it didn't happen. And then when we blame, we feel good. We're like, oh, it was because of them. It's because they didn't do what they said they were going to do. Or, I relied on them and they didn't do something. And so we blame the governments, we blame the schools, we blame corporations. We blame all sorts of people, except if we had a plan, then things would have happened easier and better. And so, creating a plan doesn't take much. And I am a great fan of creating plans. In fact, I like to oversimplify things and create little plans every single day. So I have a plan for today. I have a plan for every day. And I think that when you have that, you know what you want. And then you can check things off and you can realize what you're doing in your life. Without it, you're just letting life direct you any which way it does. And you're reacting to what's happening around you versus creating a life that you want, being proactive. So if you like plans, I'm going to give you access to something that's so unbelievably easy. And it is a planner for 12 weeks. And I've created this. My team and I have created this, and it's an awesome planner. It's plug and play. I'm going to give it to you. You can access it, test it out, try it. It's working like a charm for my business clients, and it'll work like a charm for you. It'll change your life. If you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, you're welcome to go over there and grab some other videos that will help you live a better life and a full and happy life. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video.